Oh my God. Dude.
What I tell you, buddy?
Yeah. Oh shit. It's meth. Meth. Bro, you see, bro, it's weed.
On July 2nd, 2025, during a routine traffic stop, Atlanta police deputy officers observed a Dwight transport van parked on the sidewalk. After approaching the van, the cops noticed a pack of marijuana and initiated further investigation.
What's going on, boss? Officer Musk for Atlanta Police Department. Reason for the stop, you can't be on that cell phone when you drive. You can roll that window down for me?
Absolutely. I was on my GPS. I'm just trying to...
You got your license?
I have a picture of it.
You alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright. When's the last time you smoked, boss?
It's about yesterday. I smoked yesterday, but I ain't been smoking.
Now, look, listen. In Atlanta, it's just a ticket. Now, if you lying to me, then we're going to have to go home.
I got this little...
All right, boss. Look, honestly, go a long way.
That's what I'm saying. I smoked earlier.
I mean, it's a little, you know what I'm saying, a little 2 grams, man. All right, we're going to get you out the car. We're going to search the rest of the car, all right? All right, boss, step out for me. Step out for me. Just turn around for me.
This whole marijuana. How much of it is marijuana?
Boss, stop moving. Stop moving. Boss, stop moving. That's my last time telling you stop. 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 Stop.
You got nowhere to go now. Oh, stop.
We're gonna tase you.
Stop. Get on the ground. You got nowhere to go.
Get on the fucking ground.
Get on the ground.
After arresting the suspect, the cops proceeded to search the van, uncovering a total of 5 bricks of cocaine, with each brick weighing 2.5 pounds. In addition to the 5 bricks of cocaine, the officers seized 35 vacuum-sealed bundles of marijuana, weighing a total of 35 pounds, as well as 116 pounds of crystal meth and $73,000 cash.